Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make and place curtains in Project Zomboid. First, understand that in Project Zomboid you don't craft curtains from cloth directly. Vanilla curtains are either found in houses as furniture or improvised from sheets you find while looting. To start, get sheets in your main inventory. You can find sheets by removing existing curtains from windows in houses, or looting wardrobes, closets, and bathrooms. Sheets happen to be common in residential buildings. Once you have one or more sheets, walk up to a window that has no curtain. Make sure the sheet is in your inventory and not in a bag. Otherwise, the game won't give you the option to use it. Then right-click on the window and select Add Sheet from the context menu. Your character will hang the sheet over the window as a makeshift curtain. You can open or close it by right-clicking the curtain again and choosing the appropriate option. Curtains are important because they block visibility into your safe house and help keep zombies from spotting you when you're inside. And that's how you make and place curtains in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.